Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my friends. Good morning. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name Faruk Ahmad Muslih from Group 5. Here, I will present my group's material which is about culture. Okay, what was culture before? Culture is a way of life that develops is shared by a group of people and is passed down from generation to generation. In Islam, there are so many cultures. Islam also has its own characteristic. Cultures in discussed in the form of art, building, and calendar. Okay, next. Architecture. The most visible expression of cultures in Islam is architecture. We take the example of the mosque. They are Roman Byzantium, Alhambra in Canada, and the Great Mosque of Cordoba. From this example, these mosques have their own characteristic. Okay, next. Art. Art has been produced from the 7th century, not from Muslim, but people who live in Muslim neighborhoods. Example of art: architecture, calligraphy, painting, and ceramics. Making image of human and animal in favorite in many Islamic cultures, and is associated with other worship which is common to all religions of Ibrahim. In the case of drawing living things, the law is haram. Many hadiths that explain the law of drawing living things. For example, hadith from Abdullah bin Mas'ud that the Prophet had said, "Inna asaddan nasi adaban indallahi yaumul qiyamati al-musawwirun," which means the person who has the most severe punishment on the day of judgment by Allah is draftsman. And many more hadiths that explains the prohibition on drawing living things. Okay, next one. Calendar. The calendar in Islam is known as the Qamariyah calendar. The start of the Qamariyah calendar was calculated the Prophet's immigrant to Medina, and this calendar was made at the time of Umar bin Khattab. So, what's the difference with the Shamsiyah calendar? In the Qamariyah calendar, the calculation of the day starts at sunset. In the Qamariyah calendar, there is also a Muslim holiday. Example 1. Idul Fitr. Idul Fitr consists on Shawwal. On this day, usually a lot of Muslims shaking hands, eating, and gathering large families. 2. Idul Adha. Idul Adha consists on the 10th of Zulhijjah. On this day, Muslims slaughter the sacrificial animal. Then the result of the sacrifice will be enjoyed by everyone. Next, vocabulary. Architecture. Particularly, khususnya mosque, masjid, edifice, bangunan-bangunan, varying, bervariasi, marmer, art, seni, produce, diproduksi, onward, ke depan, inhabited, berpenduduk, kaligrafi, painting, lukisan, frowned, mengerutkan dahi. Idolatry, pemberhalaan. Historical periode sejarah. Animate, menghidupkan. Prevalence, kezaliman. Kalender. Fortune, kekayaan. Lunar kalender lunar. And akhir, coinciding, bertepatan. Keramik. Baik, sekarang kita akan membahas tentang past continuous. Past continuous itu ada dua. Yang pertama adalah perbuatan atau peristiwa yang sedang berlangsung pada masa lampau yang dalam waktu tertentu. Contohnya bisa kita lihat di sini. Yang untuk bentuk positif, I was washing my clothes at 4 o'clock last month. Negatif, I was not washing my clothes at 4 o'clock last month. Pertanyaan, was I washing my clothes at 4 o'clock last month? Pertanyaan bentuk negatif, was I not washing my clothes at 4 o'clock last month? Selanjutnya, pada bentuk kedua, yakni perbuatan atau peristiwa yang sedang terjadi pada masa lampau. Kemudian kejadian lain menyusulnya. Contoh, Andre was watching TV when his mother came. Andre sedang menonton TV ketika ibunya pulang. Oke, selanjutnya untuk past continuous. Past continuous sendiri ada rumusnya. Nah, di sini kita bisa lihat rumus-rumusnya ini. Yang untuk bentuk positif, yang I see he eat, itu rumusnya subject plus was plus verb ing. Untuk you, we, they, itu subject plus were plus verb ing. Untuk negatif, bentuk negatif, yang subjeknya I see he eat, itu subject plus was plus not plus verb ing. Untuk you, we, they, itu subject plus was plus not plus verb ing. Dan untuk bentuk pertanyaan, was plus subject plus verb ing, itu bagi yang I see he eat. Dan untuk yang you, we, they, itu were plus subject plus verb ing. Nah, untuk pertanyaan bentuk negatif, untuk I see he eat, itu was plus subject plus not plus verb ing. Untuk pertanyaan where plus subject plus not plus verb ing, itu bagi yang you, we, they. Nah, untuk ciri-ciri kata yang biasanya dipakai pada past continuous itu adalah yang pertama as, will, when, all day yesterday, the whole day yesterday, the whole day last week. Cukup sampai sini pembahasannya. Thank you for your attention. Bila ada kesalahan dari saya meminta maaf yang sebesar-besarnya. Kritik, saran yang membangun sangat saya harapkan. Billahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.